TV players keep coming up: Tivimate and MyTVonline. Both are great, but they're actually built for different situations. Let me explain which one you should pick. MyTVonline is proprietary software for formular boxes. You can't get the app or any other box. It only runs on select formular Android TV systems like the Z11 Pro Max and Z Mini dongle. Tivimate tops the list of best IPTV players and is used by millions worldwide. It works on any Android TV, Fire Stick, or streaming box. So right off the bat, Tivimate is way more flexible with devices. MyTVonline works really well and is probably the least buggy of all IPTV players. It has time shift that lets you rewind, pause, and fast forward live TV, which you don't see often. You can schedule recurring reminders that automatically open channels at certain times. It includes game day, a sports hub with schedules, scores, and stats, all in one place. The interface is modern, sleek, and optimized specifically for formular hardware. If you have a formular box, MyTVonline is tough to beat. Tivimate offers scheduled recordings, multiple playlist support, and a customizable TV guide. Users who want more customization options and a polished interface love Tivimate. Many users say they default to Tivimate because they know the app inside out. It works on basically any streaming service. Premium costs about $10 per year or $34 for lifetime. The flexibility is huge since you're not locked to one brand of box. MyTVonline comes pre-installed on Formula devices, so no extra cost if you already have one. But you have to buy a Formula box to use it. Tivimate has a free version, but most people buy premium for advanced features like parental controls and picture-in-picture. The catch is Tivimate works everywhere, while MyTVonline is Formula only. So, which one? Simple. If you want a Formula box, MyTVonline is fantastic, smooth, and is built specifically for your hardware. The time shift and reports features are killer, but if you don't have a Formula or want flexibility across devices, Tivimate is the clear winner. Tivimate works well alongside MyTVonline or as a standalone app. It's not really a fair fight since one device is locked and the others work everywhere. That's Tivimate versus MyTVonline. Your device decides for you. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.